Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I am going to take class 9 biology subject lesson 1 cell structure and functions. Okay, part 7. Now I am going to discuss about mitochondria. Mitochondria. Okay, these mitochondria we will see in animal cells. These are the powerhouse of the cell. It's release energy. This mitochondria first observed by Albert von Kolliker. Albert von Kolliker. Albert von Kolliker. This mitochondria name given by Benda scientist. Benda. Then powerhouse of the cell. The powerful term given by Philip Sitwich. Philip Sitwich. Okay. This mitochondria are double membrane structure, cylindrical organelles. Okay, here we will see outer membrane and inner membrane. Here inner membrane shows some foldings. Inner membrane shows some foldings. These are cristae. Outer membrane. Outer membrane. Inner membrane. These are cristae. These foldings are cristae. These foldings are cristae. Okay, here it increases the inner surface area. These are called matrix. These are matrix. It's a fluid filled space. Matrix. It contains RNA, ribosomes, food particles, DNA. Okay, these are all ATP is present in matrix. Food particles, ATP, it's release energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This is about mitochondria. These are 2 to 8 micron long, 2 to 8 micron long, okay, and 0.5 micron width, 0.5 micron width. These are the cylindrical oval organelles in cytoplasm. Okay. These are very small compared to nucleus, 150 times smaller than nucleus, 150 times smaller than nucleus. These are 100 to 150 in the cytoplasm. Some cells have 100, some cells have, depending upon cells, some have more number, some have less number. Range is 100 to 150 numbers in cytoplasm. These are the mitochondria. We will do activity 2. Activity 2. Here we will observe mitochondria. That's why we have to take onion bulb. Okay. And to observe mitochondria in onion peel cells. Next one, materials required. Materials required. Here, Janus-Greenby solution. Janus-Greenby. Janus-Greenby solution. That you have to take it in a glass jar. Okay, this is Janus-Greenby solution. Then you have to take microscope, glass slide, cover slip, brush. Okay, these are all required to observe this onion peel cells in mitochondria. Okay, then you have to procedure. You have to collect this onion peel. In previous activity, in previous I given how to collect onion peel. Okay, in previous episodes you will check how to collect onion peel. So we have to take out onion peel. That onion peel we have to put on glass. Put on glass. Then this onion peel you have here you will Janus-Greenby solution is there na. Here you have to take 200 Janus-Greenby plus 100 ml water you have to mix. Then your solution will be ready. This solution, 2 drops you have to keep it in this onion peel. Then you have to, after some time you have to take small peel in a glass slide. Okay, you have to wash out with water. Drop by drop you have to add water. Then any extra stain is there, it will washed out. Then you have to cover it with cover slip. Observe under the microscope. Whatever your observations you have to draw in your notebook. Okay, whatever your observations you have to draw in your notebook. This onion peel is plant cell. So we will see rectangular shaped cells. Here we will see circular dot. We will notice in compound microscope. Circular dot we will notice in compound microscope, but we will observe with the help of electron microscope. Here we will see the fine structure. These are 2 to 8 micron long and 0.5 micron width. Here see outer membrane, smooth surface, inner membrane shows some foldings. These forms cristae. Okay, here cristae increases the matrix area. Matrix is fluid filled space. It contains ATP, food particles, DNA, ribosomes, etc. It releases in the form of energy ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Energy is released. It performs cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. That